Hello, it's Mike again from MyWestiesTv, and Nola's puppies are 7 weeks old. We'll be going home on Sunday, so let's take a look, see how they're doing. Hope everyone's having a good week. It's hard to believe it's January 3rd, 2024, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Hope everyone's having a great day, a great year so far, and we'll enjoy the video. Quite the mischievous bunch here. She's a lot more active than she was last week with Jamie's puppies. Of course, Jamie's puppies were twice their size. So these, like I say, these guys are 7 weeks old. And we have an update on last week's video. This is little pink girl from last week, Jamie's litter. And she's doing well. She's well adjusted. And they got her a little cat friend, so she's really having quite the time in her new home, as you can see. So it's always good to see. Thanks for sending in a video. People have they say it's hard to figure out how big the puppies are, to determine how big they are. So let me see if I can help with that. There goes the camera. Thank you, Purple. You're a troublemaker. You troublemaker. I gotta put it back on my camera holder here. My wand. Oh, sorry about that, folks. Sorry about that, folks. Mischievous. You guys turning it off, you're zooming it in, you're causing all kind of trouble. Yeah, you guys are a busy bunch. You guys are so smart, it's crazy. Huh? It's a close-up. It's a close-up. There we go. Here we are. So this is, again, Nola's litter, adopted by Jamie. Stop chasing my camera. What's up, Pink? What's up? Cassie, calm down. It's the puppies. She wants to come out and play, but it seems to be too rough. Let me close her door. Let me close her door. Good night, Kathy. When you close your door, you'll feel better. She's in a room with her puppy, her Westie poo puppy. Cassie's in with her Westie poo puppy. We'll bring him out later. And everybody take a look at him. Yep. So these guys will go home this weekend, staying local, no road trip. I haven't had a road trip in a while. Maybe I'll film the next road trip. Yeah, maybe I will. You're fascinated by this camera, aren't you, Purple Girl? There you go. That'll give you something to play with. There you go. Yep. Yeah, your adopted sister was playing with this kind of toy on the video that was sent. I'll put that up if I haven't already. I don't know, these guys have turned the camera off so many times during this video. Changed the settings. I want to thank everyone who stopped by to watch the videos. I think I said that already.